In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur parts of your image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up our project and we need to click on layers in the bottom right hand side. Now if your background layer is currently locked like this, then we just need to unlock it by clicking on the lock icon. So let's say for example here that we wanted to blur one of the faces in this image. Now there's basically two different blurs that we can use to do this. The first method is by right clicking on the brush tool and selecting lasso tool. And now what we can do is just make a selection around the face that we want to blur. So I'm going to take this one here. And now once you have your selection, click on filter in the top navigation and then select Gaussian Blur. Now what we can do is increase or decrease the intensity of this blur. So I'm just going to bring this all the way up to around about 30%. And once you're happy with this, we can just press OK. Now the second type of blur that you can create is once again by clicking on filter, click on pixelate, and we can also apply this mosaic type blur as well. This is just a different blur effect, and then once again you can increase the intensity. So this just really comes down to personal preference about the type of blur that you want on your image. So I'm just going to cancel out of this one, and once you're happy we can just deselect the blur by clicking on select and clicking deselect. And obviously you can just repeat this process if you want to blur multiple things in your image. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.